Aisha. I will start our presentation with a company profile. The company was founded in Malaysia in 1991 by Tan Sri Dr. Lim Wee Chai. Top Glove Corporation Berhad is a Malaysian rubber glove manufacturer who also specializes in face masks, dental dams and other products. The company owns and operates 50 manufacturing facilities in Malaysia, Thailand, China and Vietnam. They also have marketing office in this country as well as the United States, Germany and Brazil. A manufacturer of rubber glove, Top Glove Corporation Berhad also produce condoms, face masks, dental dams, exercise band and household items to fulfill the needs of both the healthcare and non-healthcare industry. Top Glove Corporation Berhad builds itself as a one-stop glove sourcing hub that's consistently manufacture premium glove at a lower price. The company's goods are essential in the healthcare industry since they guarantee human safety and help save life. The main item produced by Top Glove Corporation Berhad is a rubber glove. The mission of Top Glove Company is to be your world-class partner in glove and healthcare product, while their vision is ensuring safe human protection globally. A corporation should have an organizational chart since it emphasizes the division of labor between human resource and other tasks. As a result, the organization places a focus on the tasks that must be completed, the people who will oversee them, and the people with whom they must be coordinated. So that's all for the company profile. So let's move to the next presenter. Thank you.
Good day, my name is Paranshu metric number 276957. Now I will present the part of internal analysis. Good day. First on the slide are the 10 range of Top Glove, which are skilled workforce, serving various customer segments, diverse product range, first mover benefit, greater profit, strong market position, strong corporate social responsibility, commitment to sustainability, vertical integration, and strong distribution network. Next, 10 weaknesses of Top Glove, which are declining revenue, higher turnover rate, local monopolies, decreasing market share, dependence on export, production capacity constraints, environmental impact, labor issues, dependent on third-party suppliers, and over-dependence on a single product. Next is the internal factor evaluation (IFE) metric of Top Glove. IFE metric is a strategy tool used to assess a company's internal environment and identify its strengths and weaknesses. So the main internal factors used in this metric are the strengths and weaknesses of Top Glove. Besides, other important components in this metric are weight, rating, and weakness score. Weight, a weight ranging from 0.0 which is low important to 1.0 which is high importance should be given to each internal factors. Besides, the sum of all weight must equal to 1.0. So in the IFE metric of Top Glove, skilled workforce and first mover benefits is given the highest weight range of 0.11. This is because skilled workforce ensure that Top Glove can maintain high standards for its products and improve operational effectiveness. Also, by first mover benefits, Top Glove can establish strong bonds with customers, suppliers, and others, which can be challenging for new entrants to replicate. For the weaknesses section, the labor issues is given the highest weight range of 0.09. This is because labor issues can have a significant impact on the reputation and brand image of the company. Next, rating. It is used to determine how strong or weak X factor is in the company. The rating range is from 4 to 1, which means 4 is a major strength, 3 is a minor strength, 2 is a minor weakness, and 1 is a major weakness. In the Top Glove IFE matrix, there are 3 factors that are rated as 3, namely serving various customer segments, as Top Glove may not enjoy a strong competitive advantage in some of the segments, strong corporate social responsibility, and commitment to sustainability, as both of these factors may not have a direct impact on the company's primary business activity or financial performance. Besides, there are 3 factors of weakness that are rated as 1, which are higher turnover rate, as it can cause operations to be disrupted, labor issues, as it can cause product delays or interruptions and harm the company reputations. Lastly, over-dependence on a single product, as any unfavorable market conditions that affect the products could have negative effect on the company's profitability. Weighted score. It can be obtained by multiplying the weight by the rating. The average score for the total weighted score is 2.5. If a company gets a low score in these internal evaluations, it shows that the company is weak compared to its competitors. As we can see, the total weighted score of Top Glove is 3.08, which is higher than the average score. This means that Top Glove is not weak compared to its competitors and it has a competitive advantage to compete with its competitors. So that's all from my part. I will pass it to the next presenters. Thank you.
Afternoon, Doctor. I'm Pavitra Manimaran. My matrix number is 277016. Today I explain about external analysis. Top Glove Corporation is the competing opportunities and trades in Malaysia and other foreign marketplaces where it conduct business, in addition to the strength and the weakness that address the internal elements of the company. Top Glove Corporation strategies might be used the pastel analysis tools to help them make better choices regarding to the external evaluation. 10 opportunities in the Top Glove. They are: the first is reducing the price of launching new products. Second is growing the base of customers in the lower segments. The third is increasing the government regulation. Fourth is the rapid advancement and inventions in the technology. The fifth is the local collaboration. It's the trend of consumers switching to more expensive goods. Number 7 is sustainable and eco-friendly practices. Number 8 is technological advancement. Number 9 is the e-commerce and digital transformation. Number 10 is focus on product innovation. Trends are factors that, as a result of changing microeconomic variables and evolving customer sentiments, and it could harm the company business models. Trades can be controlled, but they are not completely eradicated. Trades, they are 10. The first one is the standardizations of the product category. Second is the changes in demographic. The third is the shifting political climate. The fourth is the shortage of skilled human resources. The fifth is the competitive pressures. The growing technological advancement. Number 7 is the threats of lawsuits. Number 8 is the competitors. Number 9 is the distortions of the capital market. Number 10 is the instability in the European markets. Forces portal. The 5 forces analysis is frequently used to determine the framework of an industry in order to establish a business strategy. Using the Porter's approach can help any sector of the financial system with a better understanding of the industry competition and boost its long-term viability. I'm going to explain Porter 5 forces in opportunities. They are 5. The first one is the trade of new entrants in opportunities. Opportunities for the Top Glove may arise from the industry's elevated danger of new entrants. The expanding demand for the globe on the global scale is the open-arm opportunity for the growth and market share acquisition. The second one is the bargaining power of suppliers in opportunity. Opportunity for the Top Glove might arise from strategically managing the relationship with the vendors, and the business can be guaranteed a consistent supply of raw materials at the advantageous terms by forming strong alliances and obtaining the trustworthy suppliers. The third is the bargaining power of buyers in opportunity. Opportunities for the Top Glove may arise as a result of purchasing the power of customers in the Top Glove market. Trades of substitute products in opportunity. Top Glove may have a chance because of a lower trade of substitute items in the glove market. Gloves are popular options for end protections is due to the necessity in the many industries and their cost effectiveness. The fifth is the intensity of competitive rivalry in opportunity. Even though there is a fierce rivalry in the glove sector, the Top Glove may benefit from it, and the company may set itself apart from the rivalries and continually enhancing the product quality, investing in innovation, and developing a strong brand. They are 5. The first is the trades of new entrants. Due to the constraints like capital requirements, economic of scale, regulatory compliance, and exiting the distribution networks, the glove manufacturing business have a very high entrance barrier. Second is the bargaining power of suppliers. Top glove business decision may be impacted by the cost accessibility and standard of latex. The third is the bargaining power of buyers in trade. Customers of a top glove, including the hospitals, clinics, and distributors, may have a lot of negotiation power because of their enormous order quantities and the availability of substitute providers. Trades of substitutes. Even though gloves are necessary in the healthcare, industrial, and other sectors, there are still a chance that replacement goods or advancements in the technology could pose a hazard. The fifth is the competitive rivalry. The top glove competitors against other national and international companies in a very cutthroat market. FE. The EFE analysis assigns the weights and ratings to each factor and calculates the weighted score by multiplying the weight with the rating. The total weighted score is then calculated for the opportunities and trades separately. The total weight score for the opportunities is a 2.55 and for the trades it is 1.44. CPM. CPM is the competitive profile matrix, which we can evaluate the top glove and its two competitors, which is competitor A and B, based on various key success factors, factors that are critical for the success in the industry. Each factor is assigned a weight, which is relative importance, the sums up to 1 scoring. The companies and competitors' performance are rated on the scale of 1 to 4, with 4 is being the highest.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Zaki bin Kafidin, number matric 2769449, and then next I will explain about SWOT matrix. SWOT matrix is used to identify strategy and develop and also discuss an issue. There are SO strategies, which is strength opportunity strategies, which is the first one, create many product lines to increase the demand. Next is build more factories to strengthen the brand. Increase the market penetration through effective sales force and sustainability. The second part is WO strategies, which is weakness opportunity strategies. The first one is set a decent price that is appealing to all socio-economic classes of consumers. Second, increase R&D to grow the worldwide markets. Third, improve employee well-being in order to meet customer demand connected to the COVID-19 pandemic. The third part is ST strategies, which is strength and threat strategies. First one, ensure that your product pricing is reasonable and competitive in comparison to your competition. Second, always make a difference and keep moving forward. Third, reduce unnecessary expenditure and improve financial efficiency. The fourth part is WT strategies, which is weakness and threat strategies. First one, increase online service operations and web development to stay ahead of the competition. Tighten the SOP throughout the workplace to safeguard workers from COVID-19 virus infection. For the next part is about the QSPM matrix. QSPM matrix is quantitative strategic planning matrix that is a strategic design developed by management to offer an overview of the findings for management to choose what, how, when, where, and by whom the QSPM should be carried out. As a result, when developing a plan, management must have faith in the outcomes. Based on the calculation of the table, it can be stated that the acquisition plan is the best business option to make. A higher score is obtained by taking into account that all important external and internal key elements that may impact the strategy's choice. In the previously mentioned QSPM, the acquisition strategy had a score of 5.19, while the market development plan received a score of 4.61, which is lower. Next is the strategy evaluation framework. Strategy evaluation framework is a framework so that we can evaluate our strategy. The framework that we can choose is first one, vision and mission, which is examine the top gloves vision and mission statements for clarity and relevancy. The second one is external analysis. Conduct a detailed examination of the industry and market developments affecting top glove. Third one, internal analysis. Examine the internal resources, capabilities, and core competencies of Top Glove. Fourth one, strategy formulation and execution. To examine Top Glove's general strategic approach for clarity and coherence. Fifth one, performance measurement. To examine the key performance indicators (KPI) and financial data of Top Glove. Sixth, risk management. Examine the risk management structure and practices in place at the organization. 7. Feedback and continuous improvement. Examine the company's methods for gathering stakeholder feedback. For the next part is assessment matrix. Assessment matrix is used to assess the factor and recommend suitable ways to overcome it. The first factor is vision and mission, which is weak 30%, current status strong, target status maintained, and the recommendation is to continue to operate the business based on the vision and mission. Next is the internal analysis, which is weak 20%, current status good, target status it should be improved because recommendations improve employee well-being. Third one is external analysis, weak 20%, current status good, target status improve, so that recommendation always focus on R&D to catch changes in the market. The fourth one is strategy, weak 15%, current status good, target status should be improved. Recommendations boost the efficiency of the company's strategic planning process. Fifth, factor performance, weak 20%, current status good, target status improve. The recommendations should improve productivity performance by using more automated systems. 6. Risk, weak 10%, current status good, target status improve, and recommendations should periodically check and analyze the risk management. Last one is feedback, weak 20%, current status good, target status improve, recommendations should improve the company's ability to respond to stakeholders. That's all from me. Thank you.
Last but not least, as a conclusion, the Top Glove's commitment to sustainability is reflected in its effort to adopt environmentally friendly practice and responsible sourcing of raw materials. The company places emphasis on meeting stringent quality standards and regulatory requirements, ensuring the delivery of safe and reliable gloves to its customers worldwide. As the demand for personal protective equipment continues to rise, Top Glove is well positioned to capitalize on market opportunities and maintain its leading position. By embracing technological advancement and exploring innovation solutions such as a blockchain technology, Top Glove aims to enhance its supply chain transparency, product authentication, and overall operational efficiency. That's all from our group. Thank you.